The initial step is optimizing your video titles and descriptions. It is crucial, as a catchy, compelling title is often the determining factor that engages a viewer's interest, driving them to click onto your video as opposed to just scrolling past. A title is an introductory glimpse into what your video content is all about. Thus, it needs to be intriguing, yet precise. Coupled with an informative and captivating description, it can significantly boost your video's visibility. A description should be keyword-rich, detailed, and comprehensible to make your content more discoverable. Next, we shift our focus to thumbnails. Thumbnails are integral for grabbing attention and accurately portraying your content. They are small, yet mighty, in the realm of viewer engagement. They bridge the gap between your audience and your content, providing a visual teaser. Acting as a compelling snapshot, these small icons can magnetize potential viewers. These miniature previews, though often overlooked, serve a pivotal role in maximizing visibility to your content. Consequently, making them stand out and be representative of your work is crucial. These little images can be a powerful tool to draw viewers in. The third secret is simple but essential: publish high-quality content. It's not just about pushing out content, but about crafting it. Curate videos that are engaging, informative, and high resolution. Quality should never be compromised. This is the key to keeping your viewers watching. Consistency, the fourth step, is crucial in any process. By setting a regular posting routine, you craft a sense of anticipation. Users look forward to new content, building loyalty and engagement. This strategy ensures your audience eagerly returns for more. For the fifth step, we dive into the world of social media. It's a vibrant, dynamic space teeming with potential viewers. By judiciously sharing your content across a diverse mix of platforms, you can tap into this vast repository. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Every platform offers unique opportunities. Cast your digital net wide, and you'll be surprised by the audience you can capture. Mastering the art of social media sharing can result in exponential growth for your channel, propelling your reach to new heights. Sharing your videos across various platforms can help reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your channel. Collaborations are up next. A powerful tool in growing your online presence, collaborations can propel your content into new demographics. By uniting with like-minded creators, you tap into their audience. It's a mutually beneficial relationship that can skyrocket your viewership, expanding your reach and enhancing your credibility. Partnering with other creators in your niche can introduce your channel to new viewers and boost your credibility. Seventh, don't forget to utilize SEO strategies. It's instrumental in boosting your online presence. Strategically incorporating appropriate keywords in your video's metadata can be highly beneficial. Your tags, titles, and descriptions carry weight. These can significantly enhance your visibility in search results. Engaging with your audience is the eighth step. It's about creating a meaningful interaction. Reacting to comments helps build a rapport. Nurturing a sense of community around your channel promotes a feeling of belonging. It's crucial because it makes your viewers feel valued. It strengthens their connection, boosting their loyalty. The ninth strategy is running YouTube ads. YouTube ads are video marketing campaigns run on the platform with the aim of reaching a broader audience. By investing in these ads, you're not just promoting your content, you're also targeting a specific audience to increase the possibility of higher engagement. This form of paid advertising can effectively amplify your content's reach, potentially attracting more viewers and increasing your visibility on the platform. And in the end, the 10th step in our process is creating playlists. This crucial step is about grouping your video content into organized lists. This technique is highly beneficial for creators, as it not only makes it easier for viewers to navigate your content, but also encourages them to engage more with your videos. A well-structured playlist can result in longer viewing sessions, thereby increasing your watch time significantly. So remember, creating playlists is not just a step, but a strategy for success. Grouping your videos into playlists can encourage longer viewing sessions and increase your watch time. Next, make sure to customize your channel. Strive to create a visually enticing channel design. Remember, your channel is your visual business card. It's the first thing viewers notice when they arrive. A cohesive, well-organized layout that really showcases your style becomes your attraction. Your brand identity should be clear and recognizable. It's the essence of your content, the face of your channel. It's what sets you apart in the sea of content creators. An attractive, identifiable brand can captivate viewers, draw them in, and make them more likely to subscribe. The 12th secret is participating in YouTube communities. Become an active participant, engage in dialogues, share ideas, and care for the discussions. Connect with like-minded YouTubers, share your contents, and grow together. This can increase your visibility and credibility. The 13th strategy is one of paramount importance. It employs a technique of viewer retention, making use of the feature called end screens. This feature, along with the addition of annotations, creates a compelling invitation for viewers. The idea is to pique curiosity, encouraging viewers to consume more content. This not only increases engagement, but also boosts the overall watch time. And that, my friends, is the essence of the 13th strategy, using end screens and annotations to encourage viewers to watch more. 14th, it's important to utilize YouTube Analytics. This tool offers deep insights into your channel's performance, shedding light on viewer demographics, watch time, retention, and more. By regularly reviewing this data, you gain knowledge about your audience's preferences and behavior. This invaluable insight allows you to tweak your content delivery, ensuring that it aligns with what your audience finds engaging. Monitoring your analytics can help you understand what works and adjust your strategy accordingly. Number 15, consider integrating giveaways or contests into your strategy. This approach can spark engagement, stimulate interaction, and provoke dialogue among your audience. By stirring up excitement and competition, it incentivizes users to share your content, thereby effectively boosting your visibility and reach. Remember, this can encourage audience participation and sharing. 16th, optimize your videos for mobile. We live in a world of technology where handheld devices lead the front. Numerous individuals rely heavily on these pocket-sized gadgets for most of their tasks. YouTube, a platform with millions of users, is no different. A significant percentage of users access this platform through their mobile devices. Therefore, it's undeniable that mobile optimization for videos is not just an option, but an absolute necessity. In fact, it's a crucial step for success in today's digital age. Ensuring your videos are mobile-friendly is crucial. At last, it's essential to cross-promote your videos on diverse platforms. This act of sharing and spreading the content you create is integral to the growth of your channel. The use of your website and blog can serve as a highly effective method, allowing your existing audience to easily access your videos. Also, don't forget to utilize email newsletters. This method not only reaches out to your subscribers, but also provides an opportunity for them to share your content. In the end, these strategies can significantly drive more traffic to your channel. And there you have it. 17 steps to advertise your YouTube channel and boost viewership. Remember, quick success is not guaranteed, but with relentless dedication, application of these techniques, and a knack for creativity, you're on the correct path. Equipped with these effective strategies, you're well on your way to YouTube stardom.